Hey everyone, this is going to be a little quick one here for your prep for today. What I want to talk to you about today is zip ties. Zip ties come in different widths, thicknesses, and lengths. Get an assortment, and that way you have stuff to use on a variable things you may have to zip tie things up with. All right. They also come in colors. Besides the plain white or the plain black, which are the standards, you can get multicolored packs of green, red, yellow, orange, blue, and purple, or other colors too. But get some zip ties, because you never can tell when you're going to need zip ties to keep things in order, especially if you have computers. Keep those cords all bound up properly. All right? Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. And learn a new skill every month.